Now let's talk about exporting and importing. Production through this design software, currently in this order. There are two cabinets. See, the cabinet is named Cabinet Acid. You can change the name, for example, to Slant Rod Exporting the Barcode Label. We'll show this structure. Change it to a wardrobe, then set the cover amount. Once that's done, the gun is set. Up, and we can start exporting. Through this production information, click the report on the second production info point. You can see there's a slant rod and a wardrobe. If you have two slant rods, change it to 2. If 3, change it to 3. Previously, if it was 1, just leave it as 1. Then click Export All. On the desktop, All. Show you how to rename it. You can change the name to match the order, like Create Design. Wait a moment for the export. We can close the design and check the name in the Create Design first. There are two material lists for the two wardrobes. Each list includes a third of the board parts and a Soviet diagram, which is a formal diagram. These two cabinets are not combined under XMRO. Each file represents a cabinet. The slant rod represents the wardrobe. Then, open the production. Finally, it's about enriching experience. Before importing the cabinet, there's an issue. For example, the board we need to process has a round color with bubbles and solid wood. If the current round color is small, not 20 inches but 1200, modify it here. I changed it to 24,000, which is 1200. After saving, import the cabinet and select multi-surface. Select Create Design, choose the two cabinets and import them. After modifying the round color, the boards will be arranged to a width of 1200 and length of 2004. You can choose this type of board. If it's slightly irregular, it might be smaller. If there's a temperature, remove it and click Optimize Calculation. The boards will be arranged in layers of 2400 by 1200. If you modify it, it will arrange to 2400 by 1200. If there are no issues, import the new diagram. You can use the board parts by right-clicking, select a type, and arrange them. You can rotate them and then click a type. After manual arrangement, remember to click Set Complete. The unit status is saved and set. Now, click the code, confirm, and create a new document on the desktop. Name it Create Production. It means using the code we imported for integrated production. Once done, you can close it and open Create Production. The following 3 analyses are for your machine. Look at the disk. To see the new processing, these 3 are your CG2 and TP. Mainly, the 3 processing codes are below. There are 2 boards, 500-1202. This is a backside. We usually process the back first, then the front. Finally, open U1 and import it directly into U1.